Cara Corrigan, and I am the Volunteer Program Manager for Habitat for Humanity of Ventura County. Today we are at our First and Hayes construction site in Oxnard, where Habitat for Humanity is building 6 homes for low-income families in Oxnard. Today is the final day and big event for Habitat for Humanity's National Women Build Week. It's an annual week-long event created by Habitat's Women Build program in partnership with Lowe's. The program invites women to devote at least one day to help families build strength, stability, and independence through housing. This week is meant to spotlight the homeownership challenges faced by women. Many of the women here today come out and build with Habitat throughout the year, and most of them come out every year for Women Build. It's an excellent way for women to come together in support of each other and to give back to their community.
My name is Chris, Construction Manager for Habitat for Humanities of Ventura County. I've been with Habitat for almost 5 years. This is my 5th Habitat for Women Build, and what we do is, the idea is to be able to inspire women to come out and use power tools and get involved. We have right now, I think, about 70 women here in Ventura County that is volunteering on our First and Hayes project. And so the women today are doing anything from painting, doing roofing, installing drywall, installing baseboards, and even some framing.